Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me, and I am back with another video. This one right here, I'm going to be showing you how to make my fried cornbread balls. Now, I was asked by one of my subscribers to do this video by itself because she wanted to know how I make my fried cornbread balls, which is deep fried cornbread. So I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers, y'all. This is for you, the one that asked me to do the separate video. Make sure you use the measuring cups like this. Don't use the measuring cup for the liquids because you have to use the one for the solids. And if you use the one for the liquids, it might not turn out right. So make sure you use the right measuring cups. Okay, so that was a cup and a half of cornmeal, a cup and a half of flour. Okay, and then I'm going to add some black pepper to that and some salt. About that much. Probably about a fourth of a teaspoon or eighth of a teaspoon or something. Okay, that much salt. 2 eggs. So I'm gonna crack the 2 eggs in there. We like it sweet. That was a cup of sugar. So far that was a cup and a half of flour, cup and a half of cornmeal, cup of sugar, about an eighth of a teaspoon of salt, and an eighth of a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, and 2 eggs. So now you're going to mix your water slowly because you want this batter to be thick. It got to be able to form like you want it to whenever you drop it down in the grease. So I have my grease preheating right now. You want it to be thick as you mix it because you don't want to make it too loose or it's not going to work how you want it to. So just add a little bit of water at a time. And like I said, I started out with 2 cups of water, but I'm adding it slowly. You see how thick that is? It have to be thick like this so that it can come off the spoon right. So far, I've added a cup of water. Okay, so I got my bowl right, and I have a tablespoon, just a regular spoon, but I just always use the spoon. And I'm gonna just take a little bit and put it in there. When you drop it down in there, you want it to come back up and form a ball. Don't turn your grease up too high either because you don't want to fry too fast. And I just pretty much do like halfway of the tablespoon. And you just hold it over the grease and push it off with your finger just like that. Okay, so it didn't do like I wanted it to. Let me add me some more flour to my mixture. This is a fourth of a cup I just added. I add more flour to my mixture than anything because it's just a certain texture that I like it to be, okay? Right, I think this is perfect, y'all. It's just trying to show y'all how to do it. Kind of like, Mom, you want to taste this cornbread before you go?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me let her taste this one ball. I ain't used to measuring, y'all, so I got to make sure it tastes right. But it come out looking like this. It smells sweet, don't it?
It tastes good. I'm gonna get that recipe.
It's sweet. Okay, y'all, that's a good. It tastes
I think
good.
You got enough.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn. Oh, and it's sweet enough.
Oh, I feel.
It's just to get a little bit on your spoon and push it out. I like to do mine small because if you're doing put too much on that spoon, then they will
okay,
be too big. And when you drop them down in there, you want them to come back up and fry. You see that? So don't overfill your pot, but you'll see your little spaces where you can put another one. It's hard trying to measure. I'm not used to measuring nothing. So that measurement turned out really, really good. And y'all see? And the only thing I do is I hit them and turn them over just like that. That's why I say fry them down almost like on a medium so that you don't cook the outside too fast and the inside don't be done. But like I said, if you don't want to add the sugar, you don't have to add no sugar at all. And this is my fried cornbread balls, or my deep fried cornbread. See? And make sure you keep a stir on them. You want them all to brown the same. Cook it on a lower heat and you got more control. What happens when you don't keep a watch on them? They get yellow bellies.